Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Bentley Continental Speed. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Any dents or scratches on this car at all, and all four wheels have no curb rash. Okay, so the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's have a look inside. Starting with the driver's seat. The driver's side is in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side. Everything here looks perfect as well on the seat. Okay, so the passenger side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything looks perfect. We're not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel buttons look fine, and the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is excellent as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.